Kung hindi iyo, huwag mong kukunin. Kung mali, huwag mong gagawin. Kung hindi totoo, huwag mong sasabihin. Ganun na lang kasimple yun. If it is not true, then don't say it. If it is not yours, don't take it. If it's wrong, don't do it. You can have all the money in this world, and yet you can be miserable. Mahirap yung ang dami mong pera, hindi mo makain ang gusto mong kainin. Ito bang pinagkakaabalahan ko? May katuturan ba ito pagdating ng araw? Keep this in mind. Things will never make you happy. It is the good relationship that will make you happy. Magdildil man tayo ng asin habang tayo nagkukwentuhan, kung tayo nagmamahalan, ang tawanan natin lagpas langit. Amen.